If you're looking for Christmas tree disposal bag, here's a collection you've got to see. The Christmas Shop. Most popular Christmas tree disposal bag. Number 1. Buy Holiday Essentials. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2. Buy Holiday Trims. Number 3. Buy Pursell Manufacturing. For more great Christmas trees, gift ideas and deals, click this circle. Number 4. Buy Warp Brothers. Number 5. Buy Stor. Find these Christmas tree disposal bag at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Buy Peak Seasons. Number 7. Buy Christmas Time Décor. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Buy Top Green. Number 9. Buy Tree Storage Bags. Discover more Christmas tree disposal bag ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10. Buy Lindy Bowman.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.